Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I have a piece of code. Fruits is a tuple here and I'm using append method on it. And it won't give any error. Do you know why? That is because we are using append method on the element in the first index. And that element is a list and a list is mutable. So when we append new value, it works like this. A tuple is immutable, but its element can be mutable. While tuple cannot be modified, the mutable elements inside the tuple can be changed. We can't do this, but we can do this. This does not break the immutability of the tuple because you are not changing the tuple structure, just the data inside one of its elements. That's why we won't get any error when we use append method, because we are using that method on a list. Okay, so that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.